In this video, we cover the process of replacing a failed power supply unit, or PSU, on a PowerProtect Data Domain 9900 system. Before we begin, we need to verify which PSU has failed through the PowerProtect DD Management Center. First, log in, and from the home page, click the alert. Here you can see a PSU failure is detected and which one it is. Now, go to the system and remove the faulted power supply. From the back of the system, locate the PSU identified earlier, then disconnect the power cable. Press the release latch and pull the PSU free of the system. Holding the handle, slide the replacement PSU into the system until it is fully seated. The release latch will snap into place. Finally, reconnect the power cable. Now that the PSU has been replaced, make sure that DDoS can recognize it and that the alert has been cleared. Refresh the alerts page. Here, you can see the alert has been cleared. Next, click Hardware, Chassis, and then Head Unit. Click on the PSU to see its current state. At this point, go back to the home page and verify that all alerts are clear. We've now completed the process. If you need any further assistance with this, please visit dell.com/support.